Hey guys, what's going on? We're back. We just did that maroon paint job. You can see the maroon paint job that came off because that's a base coat. So that's a color, hardener, and gloss. They shoot it. The paint job looks beautiful. Lasts 50 years. Here we got a clear coat. So we're going to clean the clear coat. You won't see no color coming off because there's a clear over the color base coat. These last 15 years. Okay? Anyways, so I'm going to use this one. I'm going to put this on like this. This is the Lukat Fix It. Remember, fold the towel up in a tight little square like that. That's where we did that. I'm going to go ahead and just fold that up so we'll have a comparison. And then when I do this, I don't do circles. There's no shine in here. There's no need to do that. What you do instead is you just clean back and forth. Guys, it's not hard to do. I mean, you want to spend $1,000+ repainting your car, go for it. But you can also just buy this and clean the paint job. Look how beautiful they come out when they're clean. I mean, it varies. Some paint jobs are pretty bad, but even the pretty bad ones you can clean up to a beautiful shine. So all I'm doing here right now is just polishing back and forth, the same spot. This is going to penetrate and break up all the contamination. And then what's left is the original state of the paint job. Because this doesn't cut, it won't cut into the good paint. You're able to polish it out nice and smooth and beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-ful. Look at that. Okay, so this is pigment from the previous paint job we did. It was a base coat, and this is just the contamination that was buried, that was burying the original state of the paint job. Now, can you focus in on this over here? So, can you see that shine? I mean, this is like a silver, so it refracts a lot of light. Can you see it? Okay, so remember, this is not a wax; it's a cleaner. We call it a color and gloss restore polish, because the color and gloss is still there. It's just buried underneath all this oxidation. Again, listen to this. The sound of a dirty paint job. The sound of a clean paint job. Okay? So you want to clean the paint, not wax it. Now, waxing is good when the paint job is shiny, but when it's dirty, you don't want to mask it and trap that buildup. But remember, this is not a wax. Listen to this. That's squeaky clean. We need to put some kind of protection on there. We don't want to just leave it like that, because if a bird poops on there and stuff, it's just going to touch that clear coat and start damaging it. This is called Lukat Easy Sealer Wax. This stuff is amazing. So this is really good wax. It's not regular shine and pop wax, guys. This is also a cleaner. It's a sealer. It's a conditioner. You want to use it. You notice I'm putting it on in circles. When you use a cleaner, it's back and forth strokes only. When you use this, you do circles. You want to clean small controlled spots. Remember, this is a repair job. This is Lukat Fix It Color and Gloss Restored Polish. It's a repair job. When you look at all these paint jobs that we've done in the background, we're just doing spots and cleaning because you don't want to do the entire car. Like when you wax a car, you just slap it on all over and you mask it. Not really, but a lot of people do that. But best to always do it in sections. But this, you clean it in sections and then you seal it. And you do want to leave the wax on there for a little while because it gives it that beautiful protection. It leaves a really tough, durable shell on there. Can you see that? Is that coming across? Mm-hmm. Okay. So, I mean, can you see reflection on it?
Yeah.
So the whole point of this is to use this to clean the paint. So the one we did earlier was a base coat. Okay, you can see the pigment. And the one we just did right now, this is a clear coat. We cleaned it up. So when your paint job looks hazy on the hood, roof, and trunk, clean it first, then seal it. And then you know what? You're good. You're good for about 3, 4, 5 years before you have to clean it up again. And that's if you don't take care of it. If you're one of those people that takes care of your car, cool. If it looks awful because you don't wash it, but you want to bring it back, you can do that and then go again, do the whole thing again. Now the next hood I'm going to do is really problematic. It's got a lot of problems, but I just want to show you the range of what you can do with this product. Okay guys, thank you.